You guys, I need you to see how Mutuum's pooled liquidity creates seamless borrowing and lending all in one single place. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and this video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome to what is known as Mutuum. All right, now they do have a massive sale that is currently going on. We got phase number 5. All you have to do is connect your wallet. As you guys can see, I have done right here. We can just disconnect and then we can easily connect once again, right? Once you guys understand, you're going to be able to purchase as much as you want. Not only that, they do have the massive giveaway, which we'll talk about here in just a little bit. Now, scrolling down, you'll see right here, Meet Mutuum. So how exactly does this work, you guys? We're talking about lenders. They pull crypto assets into smart contracts. Then after that, borrowers, they collateralize to access these pooled funds, okay? Not only that, you guys, we're talking about automated interest rates. They are based on what is known as pool utilization, okay? So you guys, I mean, there is a lot of things happening here, okay? But I also want you guys to understand, we are talking about no direct borrower-lender matching, and that right there is very important. You'll see right here, they do have what is known as peer-to-contract model, okay? Then they got peer-to-peer model, which is good. And we even have the variable and stable borrow rates, okay? As mentioned, automated interest rates. These are based on pool utilization, okay? So I want you guys to understand, I mean, we're talking about pool contracts. They simplify what is known as DeFi lending. We're talking about real-time interest rate updates. And you guys, it even encourages a balanced capital use, okay? Now, this does support multiple crypto assets. If we take a look here, it is non-custodial. Okay, they are multi-chain. We got instant liquidity. We have collateral deposits. We got security audits and open source. Breaking down the tokenomics, we got 4 billion tokens, ERC20 standard, which is good. Ticker is going to be Mutuum, okay? And take a look at the allocation, all right? So we got up here, ecosystem at 10, shortfall reserve 10, liquidity 10, partnerships at 5, incentives giveaway at 5, team and founders at 4.5, liquidity, mining, and incentives at 10. And then majority of this is going to be going to the community. So we're talking about 45.5%, which is good. Take a look at the roadmap. We got introducing Mutuum. We got building Mutuum, okay? And we even have finalizing, then delivering, okay? So how to buy? Well, you can set up a wallet, okay? You can use MetaMask, Token Pocket. We got Trust wallets, okay? Buying process, well, make sure you have some crypto, pretty easy and simple. View your purchase and claim your tokens, okay? So literally, that's all you have to do here, ladies and gents, all right? And then talking about that giveaway, you'll see right here on Gleam, there's a lot of different tasks that you can do, all right? Wow, some of these are really good. But you can see there's already a massive amount of entries here. They got 67 days left. And you guys, finally, there is a white paper. So if you'd like more information about how Mutuum works, like in detail, then I'm going to tell you guys right now, you definitely want to dive down into this white paper because it does provide a lot of information. So just breaking it down for you guys once again, this is a decentralized non-custodial liquidity protocol that enables users to engage as lenders, borrowers, or liquidators, okay? So basically, lenders, they deposit their crypto assets into Mutuum's liquidity pools to earn interest, okay? While the borrowers, they can obtain over-collateralized loans by securing them with sufficient collateral. Pretty easy and simple, right? And I imagine exactly how this works, you guys, is that what happens is that you have people who are lending money and then people who are borrowing money, but they can only borrow money if they are over collateralized, right? Very important you guys understand that. Not only that, these guys are going to be paying interest, right? The borrowers, variable and stable borrow rates, okay? So basically what happens is when these guys are paying interest, this is the interest that is probably most likely being paid to the lenders, like a bank, right? In this case, with crypto, and a lot better. All right, and it pays a lot more. Okay, so maximize earnings and minimize your efforts. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Mutuum in the house. Lend, borrow, contribute, and earn with Mutuum. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We got what is known as Mutuum. And as you guys can clearly see, this project provides a lot of opportunity, right? Smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, check out the links down below, especially in that description, and leave a comment. Tell me, what do you think? We'll see you in the next one.